Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to block an email address in MailEnable. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. In order to block an email address in MailEnable, you will have to log in into your Windows Server with administrator user. Here, we have used Windows Server 2012 R2 as an example. Click on the window button located on the status bar. Go to the search option and click on it. Enter MailEnable in the search field. Once you enter it, you will see the MailEnable application. Click on it to open MailEnable admin window. This process may take a few seconds to complete it. Congratulations! MailEnable administration window is opened. Go to the server option and expand it. After then click on the arrow sign to expand the localhost option. Select the option Services and Connectors and click on the arrow sign to expand it. After then select the SMTP option and right-click on it. Go to the Properties option and click on it. Once you click on it, the SMTP Properties window will be opened. Select the Blocked Addresses tab. After then click on the Add button. Once you click on it, Block Address dialog box will be opened. Enter the email address which you want to block in the field. Enter an email address to block. Here we have entered email address demo@example.com as a demo. Click on the OK button to save it. You can see that the email address is added in the SMTP addresses section. In future, if you want to unblock any email address which you have added in the SMTP addresses, select the email address and click on the Remove button. Click on the OK button to apply the changes in the SMTP Properties option. Now, you will not receive any email from that email address to your mailbox. That's it. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We've seen how to block an email address in MailEnable. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWebHosting.com. Thank you for watching.